If you've just installed the Tow-Pro Liberty, Elite, or Trail, or you need to troubleshoot an issue with your trailer brakes, here's how to test the installation. Please note, if you are looking to test a Tow-Pro link, check out our other videos. The only tool you'll need to test your Tow-Pro is a filament-style light bulb rated between 5 and 21 watts. This test light is used to activate the Tow-Pro and confirm there is power delivery to the trailer plug. LED-style test lights or voltmeters are not suitable for this test. Ideally, this is a two-person job, with one person adjusting the dial while the other utilizes the test light at the trailer plug. First, connect the ground wire alligator clip to ground pin number 1 or any clean chassis point on the vehicle. Please note that each plug can have a different pin allocation, and check with your manufacturer before testing. Now connect the test light probe to service brake pin number 2, which should be the blue wire on the trailer plug. This should illuminate the LED on the remote head. If there is no illumination present, you may have a poor connection at the trailer plug, or the 12-volt power supply at the Tow-Pro module needs to be checked. If this is the case, check out our video on testing the Tow-Pro module. If the dial flashes blue and green, this means the Tow-Pro is ready for calibration. Press your foot on the brake pedal and slowly increase the dial from 0 to 10. If the test light goes from no brightness at 0 to full brightness at 10, this confirms the Tow-Pro is fully operational. If the dial illuminates either solid blue or solid green, this means it's already calibrated. Push and hold the dial button in while slowly turning from 0 to 10. If you see the test light go from no brightness at 0 then to full brightness at 10, then this is also normal operation. Now that this test is complete, you can connect the trailer and adjust the nominal setting of the Tow-Pro. If you need more braking power, turn the dial up. If it's too much, turn the dial down. If you are still having issues with your Tow-Pro, check out REDARC's Help Center. And to learn more on the Tow-Pro range, visit redarcelectronics.com.